Alright guys, I'm coming at you with one more here. This one is another free one for you just because, hey, my audience deserve the best, and I came across this gentleman. His name is Armstrong Will, and he's kind of a smaller channel guy, but he does a lot of free stuff, which is pretty good. You should check his channel out. He's going to be going over 5 different apps that you can use from your phone anywhere. This isn't going to make you rich. This is just something that will bring in some extra income for you. Check it out. Stay to the end. Watch the whole video. I appreciate it, guys. Have a good day.
Hey guys, I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 apps you can use to earn money from PayPal, and some of the apps will allow you to withdraw through Payoneer, which means you'll be able to withdraw through your local bank account, because it's possible to connect your local bank account and Payoneer. In case you don't know how to do that, just let me know in the comment section below so that I can consider creating a video on the specific topic and you'll know exactly how to do that. So stay tuned, and that's what I'm gonna share with you today. And in case it's your first time to see me, my name is Armstrong Will. I'm a known entrepreneur, and I do create content on different ways to work from home, to make money from home. And I highly suggest you to join my YouTube family by subscribing to this channel and by enabling the bell notification so that you'll be notified when a brand new video is out. And without further ado, let's jump into the video right now. As I told you in my introduction, you need a PayPal account. So if you don't have one, consider creating one. And in case you from the countries where PayPal is not available, I suggest you create a Payoneer account and connect your local bank account with Payoneer. It's very easy to do, and it's possible in all the country worldwide. So there is no excuse, guys. Just if you don't know, if you can't access a PayPal account, be sure to create an account with Payoneer. You can find the link in the video description below. I'm going to leave you a link that will take you to Payoneer, and you'll be able to create a free account. And be sure to connect your local bank account with Payoneer. It will help you to be able to withdraw money whenever you made it online. Okay, so the first app is surveyondego.com, guys. As you can see, it's available for iPhone users and Android users. It is accessible for both, and it's an amazing app because they just ask simple questions. You know, some surveys are complicated sometimes. Some surveys are too complicated and they take a long time, but on this platform it's not the case. They just ask you lifestyle questions or product evaluation or consumer experience, just simple questions that you can literally answer within minutes, and you earn these kinds of money, which means it's an amazing app, guys. Be sure to try it. Just go to your Play Store and download the app, and you'll be able to start getting this service and earn money, guys. And also don't forget to visit their official website here and click on FAQ to see the questions that most people ask themselves while taking action on this app, guys. And the next one is Survey Time. This one is very popular, and a lot of people do earn extra cash from this one. And also this one is amazing because you don't need points, no gift cards, nothing. They give you real cash straight, no redeeming or whatever. I see after completing service you get $1 immediately, and you can withdraw it through your PayPal account or Payoneer. You can see that they also have an affiliate program. They call it Ambassador Program, and you see that they do pay through Payoneer as well. See, if you come from a country where PayPal is not accessible, you can consider creating a Payoneer account and just connect it with your local bank account, and you will be able to earn money from a Survey Time, guys. And they also have frequently asked questions. You can just go through them and get to know more about this platform, guys. Like this one is, how does it work? Where can I redeem my $1 rewards? See, just go to the official website surveytime.io and you will be able to see all of these questions, guys. And another thing about this platform is that they have good reviews, guys. They are ranked 1.5 stars on Trustpilot. If you go to Google and search survey time reviews, you're going to get these results. You're going to see that they have good ratings, which means people are having a good experiences with this. They're earning money through these app, guys. Otherwise the result shouldn't be like this, guys. We can see that they have 4 out of 5 stars, which is a good sign for this application, guys. All of these are reviews that have been left by people that has been using this app. If you can easily see the value behind the video so far, be sure to smash the like button below, and I'll be grateful. Just do it. Thank you for doing it. Thank you. And also remember to click the red subscribe button below, and also click the bell notification so that you get notified whenever a brand new video is out. And another app is instagc.com. Just go to instagc.com and get to know more about this app. And you can see that you can also complete surveys or watch videos or shop online or search the web and earn the points that you can redeem into money. For this one, you will have to collect points, and at the end of the day you'll be able to redeem the points into money that you can withdraw. It is very easy to join this one. You can just use your Facebook account or Twitter or Google, and you'll be able to sign up automatically without filling out this form, or you can just choose to sign up manually by adding your email address and creating a password. You also be able to sign up that way, and after signing up you get 10 free points. The next app is swagbucks.com, guys. This app is not different from the other ones that I showed you previously. You can also try it. You see, get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. Here's how you see you earn points by shopping online or watch entertaining videos, or by searching the web, or answering the surveys. Those are the activities you'll be doing to earn the points in there. And after you have enough points, you'll be able to redeem the points through your PayPal account. All of these apps are legit, but you can easily see that they cannot replace your full-time job, because you just earn little money like $100, $200, but you cannot earn enough money from these apps. So if you know you want to work from home, if you want something sustainable that can replace your full-time job, I highly suggest you to check the first link in the video description below to see exactly what I do for a living, because I work from home. I've been doing this from 2017, and if you go there you will see exactly what I do for a living. It requires a lot of work, obviously, but it's definitely worth it. If you choose to do so, be sure to go there. And thank you very much for watching the video to the end. Be sure to like the video and share it with somebody who needs it. And if you're not my subscriber already, be sure to subscribe and enable the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever a brand new video is out. And thank you very much for watching the video to the end. See you in the next video.